So they're saying like Wasim, like how you are running your Skynetlabs agency, like for AI automations and development and all the stuff. Like what tools mainly you guys use, because everyone is so confused. Uh, like they have to spend too much. Okay, so I'll let you know, like in a really easy and simple steps. Basically, I use like I think 4 or 5 tools now. The first tool that I normally use is everyone knows is Claude Code. Basically, it's an extension of Claude. Like you can install in CLI and PowerShell. You don't even have to ask me. You just go ahead to YouTube and look for that. Even ask just Claude.ai, Anthropic. And the second one that I really love the most these days, obviously, like I'm using for the last almost a year and a half, that is N10 for lots of my automations. Okay, so I'll just simply explain. Like I have like, let's say I have like 20 emails. Like okay, some professional emails of my domains and some Gmails. So receiving so many emails, leads, and all these. So these N10 automations are helping me out in filtering, the best one which I can see, because the OpenAI, you can say like the API key of OpenAI or anyone can filter out for you, and then it passed the best one that I need to read. Otherwise, the spams, they are just going to the another level. Just an example for the N10, but obviously I use N10 for social media posting, content creation ideas, for lead generation. Yeah, literally I was trying to automate my LinkedIn legion, but it's not that, because LinkedIn has I wouldn't say it's quite tough procedure, but they literally suspend the account sometimes. So I have a fear if I applied more automations, they're gonna suspend. I don't want to get suspended again. Same goes for Upwork. So you're gonna look over that. So the third, more you can say the tool or the model that I really love and I mainly use for entire business management is GoHighLevel. For now, GoHighLevel I'm just maintaining for my social media posts and scheduling. But I have a plan. Like I'm trying to, because now they have access, given us the access to the MCPs. I think they already have that, but um, they have limitation as well. So if anyone from GHL GoHighLevel, is it really possible? Like we can let Claude Code handle the entire GHL, like all the workflows, all the AI agents, all the stuff, because it's really great. It's really all in one stuff. GoHighLevel. They have the builders, they have the pipelines, workflows, social medias, ads, all messages coming in one panel. So it's really great. And like literally, you'll be shocked to know, like I have connected my N10, okay, that I purchased from Hostinger. If you need any referral key, you can just let me know, or I'll just paste a code. I have given the access of API key of N10 to Claude Code. And now literally I'm not opening sometimes N10 these days. Like I'm just discussing with Claude Code via CLI or PowerShell or VS Code, via Obsidian, that hey, I need this automation today for this purpose you need to, and it automatically check, render, verify, and push directly to N10. Okay, I really love the Claude routines, but there are limitations as well. Like I don't know, I'm on the max 20x plan, but I still face lots of limitations. Not sure about the rest. So that's the third one. And the fourth one, I think everyone is using, that is Chat GPT. Like I'm normally using for OpenAI and Codex. Like I started using Codex, like GPT 5.6 SOL version. And that's it. So these are the few models and few things like subscriptions I have currently. I have few others as well. Like those are normally not related to vibe coding or automations or development. Those for my other department that sometimes we normally do is AI video generations. That obviously that can be having, Hicksville, Cdance, Google Flow. So yeah, that's all for now. Thank you.